Hello, Trisha. So, how are you? How are you feeling now?
Hi everyone! Hi Sir Jason! Ngayon, wala akong ibang maramdaman kundi saya, gratefulness, grabe yung mga pinagdaanan ko Sir Jason, pero sobrang saya ko dahil finally, meron na akong sash at meron na tayong crown.
So, are you happy with the second runner-up finish? Because
Yes.
sa dami ng magaganda this year, even making it into the top 15, it seems like a very tough challenge.
Sobrang saya, Sir Jason, kasi by just being a candidate on the 60th year, sobrang swerte ng batch this year kasi we get to be on the same stage with the past queens. Tapos parang feeling ko it's a reward for me na magkaroon ng title. Being a second runner-up is a critical role, di ba? So, we have to prepare as if we have an international pageant as well.
Mhm.
Not that I wish to have my sisters to be ill or something. That's the last thing that I want. But as a runner-up, I have to fulfill my duties as well. So, kailangan prepared at all times.
Trisha, this is a controversial na topic
Okay.
because people, alam mo naman that people were criticizing you for your body,
Yes.
but during the finals, you proved them wrong. You proved your critiques, yung mga bashers, yung mga haters, yung mga non-believers that you can deliver. So now that you are with a crown in your head, how do you plan to face yung mga duties and responsibilities na because you are going to be more involved with the organization?
Yes. You know what, Sir Jason, when that happened to me after the fashion show in Lagoon, where I received a lot of negative criticisms about my body, I realized na kahit naman manalo ako, I would still receive these kinds of words,
Mm-mm.
hurtful words. And even after, no, nagbasa pa rin ako, tinignan ko pa rin yung reaction ng mga tao, I do still get them. But you know what, sir? At the end of the day, I cannot please everyone. No, more important is what I can do, and what I can contribute to the organization as a Binibini Pilipinas second runner-up.
So, Trisha, what are you looking forward to your reign? Ano yung sa tingin mong may contribute mo as you go along with a full year of more wonderful memories with Binibining Pilipinas?
Sobrang excited ko, Sir Jason. I actually told Tala right away that, oh, we have to be very supportive with our queens, with Myrna and Jasmine. Kailangan we have to be there for them at all times. Also, para medyo naging idol ko si Katrina Johnson and si Atasha Rain. Parang I've witnessed yung growth na nangyari sa kanila all throughout their reign. Parang they are hosting, they are attending, they are guesting, and I want to do that too, no? I want to elevate yung pagiging runner-up and at the same time support my queens at the best possible way that I can.
Um, Trisha, in Binibining Pilipinas, there are no runners-up but all queens. So
Yes. Thank
congratulations and
you.
we wish you a very fruitful year ahead.
Thank you so much, Sir Jason. Thank you, Sashes and Scripts.
Uh, Hello, Tala.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You've been one of the girls na never bumitaw when it comes to face, when it comes to beauty of face.
Thank
Every
you.
time you go out, people are always mesmerized because of your face. Even in YouTube, parating yun ang kine-comment sa
Uh,
mga page namin. So, how are you feeling now?
I feel good. Honestly, it still feels surreal that I'm now part of the Binibining Pilipinas legacy, and I'm so grateful po.
So, what were the first things you've done after your crowning as first runner-up in this year's competition?
First, I went to my family, of course, because actually my auntie flew from US just to watch me. So I give them a tight hug, I thank them, and I say my gratefulness to everyone who's been rallying behind me from the very start until now. So I'm so grateful. That's what I did after.
Have you already done your celebrations or sabak agad sa duties and responsibilities?
Actually, we did get a rest, 1 day rest, so I sleep all day. And then now we're here having our official photo shoot, and I'm so excited for more.
So, what are your plans for your reign as one of the queens ng Binibining Pilipinas this year?
Just thinking about it, it's making me flatter, but well, of course, I want to fulfill my duty. Even though I'm a student, I'm still gonna do my best so that I can really take a full responsibility into being a official queen of Binibining Pilipinas.
So, you're still a student, you mentioned. What are
Yeah.
you taking currently?
I'm a Bachelor of Arts in Communications po.
So are you currently in your final semester or final year?
I'm gonna be on my third year.
Okay. So, how are you going to balance pala? Kasi, syempre, there's demands of being a student and of course, the duties and responsibilities of being one of the crown queens.
Yes, actually, I'm so grateful that my school is very supportive when it comes to me fulfilling my duty. So before I joined Binibining Pilipinas, I told them once I win, I hope you still continue to give me the time and considerations, and I'm gonna be really grateful for that. So I'm just so happy that they're very supportive about that.
Ayan. Any plans later on after yung tawag ito, yung media week ninyo? If you're going to do a vacation or whatnot, what are the plans?
I really want to go back to my province and try surfing again because it's surfing season. I'm so excited to get back to my hobbies there and also reconnect with my roots, which is from Zambales, di ba?
Okay. So, last question. Message for your fans, for your friends, and for your family.
Hello everyone, to everyone who supported me, my friends, my family, and even the people that I don't know who keeps on rallying behind me, supporting me. Thank you so much. I always tell this that please continue to support me. But now we are here, we got the crown and the title. I mean, not the title, but at least we get the crown. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I hope you continuously support me as I'm gonna do my part here as your Binibining Pilipinas first runner-up.
Ayan. Salamat, Tala,
Thank you
and
so much. Thank you
congratulations!
po.
Hello, Jasmine! Kumusta? How does it feel na you're now one of the queens?
Still not sinking in, so I'm still taking time to take it all in because I wasn't really expecting anything. I went on the stage just really wanting to enjoy, so it would translate on stage. And when I won, really couldn't believe it. So my reaction says it all. I'm not sure if you were able to watch my reaction. I was really surprised, but very elated and happy that I got the win because the fight wasn't just for me. It's all the more for the people who were rallying behind my back. My friends, my family, my supporters, especially my team who are as tired as I am in this journey.
So, how does it feel that I'm one of the first people to ever tell you na you're one of the potential winners?
As I told you, Sir Jason, like I was out of the radar of most pageant pages. You wouldn't even see me on their top 15, and that kind of discouraged me. So whenever I need that boost of confidence, I would go to your page, look at my pictures, look at the posts you have of me, and then I would feel that I have a fighting chance of winning. Because if a pageant fan who's been following Binibining Pilipinas, who's closely also following us, sees that I have the potential, then that means I have the potential.
But you have the potential. You always had the potential. Somebody just needed to tell you that. Ayan. So, chika-chika lang. Have you already planned on how are you going to spend your 1 million cash prize winnings? Kasi for sure, there's going to be a lot of buzz surrounding that.
The prize.
Yeah.
My first thought, like after that thought sinked in, was to really like give a portion to the people who supported me, because most of the creatives that worked with me, they worked with me for free. Uh, yeah, so that saved me a lot of money. But now that I got a cash prize, I really thought of giving back to them and really paying them for sharing their talent with me, because it's also their livelihood. So I think it's just about right that I give back to them. in monetary form, not just love.
It's good to hear that you plan to give back because that is always have been the attitude of a true queen is always gratefulness and always giving back to the people, to the community that have helped her. Ayan. So thank you very much,
Thank you so much,
Jasmine.
Yeah.
Any final words to your friends, family, and your supporters?
My friends, my family, and my supporters. We are the Binibining Pilipinas Globe. During the 60th Binibining Pilipinas and the grandest coronation ever. Would you believe that? It's me! Thank you so much to all of you. This is all for us.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
Sir Jason. Thank you so much.